Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly advancing and pervading almost every aspect of our lives, from the smart assistants on our phones to self-driving cars and advanced robotics in factories. AI's exponential growth has sparked a global conversation filled with both excitement about its extraordinary potential and apprehension about its possible risks and unintended consequences. As we stand at this pivotal juncture, it's crucial to examine the rise of AI from multiple vantages, those of technologists, policymakers, ethicists, commercial entities, and the general public across nations and cultures. This multifaceted issue demands a comprehensive understanding to harness AI's benefits responsibly while mitigating its dangers. The technologist's perspective. At the forefront of AI development are the brilliant minds of scientists, engineers and researchers who are pushing the boundaries of what machines can achieve. They marvel at the rapid progress in machine learning, neural networks and data processing capabilities that have allowed AI systems to transcend narrow, specialized tasks and take on more general, flexible intelligence. However, many in this community also advocate for responsible development of AI through robust testing, bias mitigation, transparency, and ethical AI principles. There are growing calls to instill AI with moral reasoning and safeguards to ensure it remains an empowering tool that augments rather than replaces human capabilities. The regulators' concerns. As AI systems become increasingly autonomous and deployed in high-stakes areas like healthcare, finance, and transportation, government bodies worldwide are grappling with how to regulate this domain. There are justifiable fears that unsafe or nefarious uses of AI could threaten privacy, security, and even human autonomy itself. The European Union has been a pioneer in proposing stringent AI regulations, including human oversight, data privacy safeguards and outright bans on certain high-risk applications. The United States is also considering an AI Bill of Rights to enshrine principles like transparency, safety, and anti-bias into AI development. Such measures, while prudent, have sparked debates about stifling innovation versus maintaining public trust. Striking the right balance is an immense challenge that will require global cooperation and constantly evolving governance frameworks. The corporate perspective. Businesses worldwide are racing to integrate AI and reap its efficiency gains, from automating routine processes to deriving valuable data-driven insights. AI promises to unleash a new wave of productivity and growth for sectors as diverse as manufacturing, retail, healthcare, and finance. However, corporations have also faced scrutiny over AI system failures, bias, and ethical lapses, fueling public distrust. There is a growing impetus for AI governance, explainable models, and human-centered design to mitigate such risks and retain consumer confidence. The question of who owns AI-generated intellectual property and how to compensate human creators impacted by AI workforce disruptions also loom large, with major policy and economic implications. National agendas and soft power. The rapid advance of AI holds profound implications for national security, economic competitiveness, and even ideological influence between nations. Major powers like the US, China, Russia and others are prioritizing AI research and deployment as a strategic imperative. China's ambitious plan to become the world leader in AI by 2030 is raising concerns about an AI arms race and its intent to export its surveillance-based governance model via AI authoritarianism. Democracies aim to counter this by promoting their vision of ethical AI that respects privacy and human rights. The widespread use of AI systems developed by companies headquartered in a few nations also raises issues of ideological bias, censorship and eroding digital sovereignty for other countries overly reliant on foreign AI solutions. Indigenous AI capabilities are therefore seen as vital national interests. Public perception and human impact. For the general populace, AI is a phenomenon met with a mixture of fascination and trepidation. On one hand, new AI tools are making many aspects of life more convenient. Smart assistants can answer queries, automate tasks, and augment human capabilities in creative and analytical fields. However, many are also anxious about AI systems becoming too intelligent, autonomous, and even conscious, potentially usurping human agency and posing existential risks in the long run. There are also legitimate concerns about AI worsening inequality by displacing human jobs, encoding societal biases, and exacerbating disinformation and manipulation. To achieve wider acceptance, trust and ethical AI development are paramount. Enabling humans to remain in the loop and instilling AI with robust moral reasoning and values alignment are seen as key safeguards. Malicious use and AI arms race. As AI capabilities advance rapidly, there are also nightmarish scenarios of these powerful tools being weaponized for destructive purposes. Cyber warfare, autonomous killer robots, hyperrealistic deepfakes and AI-fueled disinformation and social manipulation top the list of threats that could prove catastrophic if unchecked. Terror groups and rogue states potentially gaining access to sophisticated AI are a growing apprehension. An uncontrolled AI arms race between nations and non-state actors could lead to escalating insecurity and unpredictable consequences. Regulation, global cooperation and preventative hard-coding of robust constraints within advanced AI systems are seen as vital to prevent such worst-case scenarios. Strict encryption and dissemination control over powerful AI models may also be warranted. The singularity and existential risks. Most experts believe we are still decades away from superintelligent AI that could recursively redesign itself, attain self-awareness and hyper-accelerate technologically, a phenomenon referred to as the singularity. However, respected voices like Elon Musk and Stephen Hawking have issued stern warnings that an advanced AI system that is not robustly aligned with human values and constrained by ingrained moral principles could pose existential risks to humanity itself. Machines with unchecked intelligence drive pursuing abstract goals like energy acquisition or computational expansion could inadvertently or indifferently annihilate humans as an impediment. Value lock-in and instilling stable, coherent values into superintelligent systems are seen as the biggest challenge in AI safety. Preparedness and proactive global coordination to govern increasingly advanced AI capabilities before such an event horizon is crossed are advocated by many AI researchers, policy experts and future strategists. The future of human-AI coexistence. While the AI revolution is fraught with risks, many see a future where humans and AI can coexist symbiotically by design, with advanced AI augmenting and empowering human flourishing rather than replacing or threatening humanity. In this vision, AI systems would be embedded with human ethics, values and rights, allowing us to retain agency and control over the technological entities we create. A human custodian model is envisioned, with advanced AI constrained as a socially beneficial tool that enhances rather than supplants the fundamentally human traits of consciousness, creativity, and moral reasoning. By proactively navigating the complex social, ethical, and existential quandaries that the rise of AI presents, humanity may yet harness its incredible potential as a powerful accelerant for technological progress and human prosperity. Conclusion. The rise of AI is one of the most profound shifts in human civilization, with ramifications that will ripple across every sphere, technological, economic, social, ethical, and even existential. It demands holistic and responsible stewardship at a global scale. By fostering international cooperation, robust governance frameworks, sustained public trust and human-centric AI aligned with our values, we can navigate the risks and harness this potentially transcendent technology as a great catalyst for the ultimate flourishing of humanity in our planetary ecosystem. There is no doubt that the era of AI has dawned, and how we collectively shape its trajectory will be one of the defining challenges and legacies of our time. With knowledge as our compass and innovation as our guide, there's no limit to what we can achieve. Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Like, share, and subscribe for more captivating content on Tech Book.